Every day, thousands of people search for ways to make money online, but many feel confused about where to begin or which tools actually work. Affiliate marketing has become one of the easiest ways to start earning online without creating your own product. Platforms like ClickBank allow anyone to promote digital tools and earn commissions. But here's the challenge: promoting products successfully requires organization, automation, and the right strategy. Many beginners waste hours trying to manage links, promotions, and campaigns manually. That's where Instadoodle comes in. Instadoodle is designed to simplify affiliate marketing by helping users manage promotions, streamline workflows, and focus on what really matters: growing results. Instead of struggling with complicated systems, Instadoodle helps you stay organized and work smarter, even if you are just starting your affiliate marketing journey. Whether you are promoting ClickBank products, building online content, or learning digital marketing, having the right tool can make the process faster and more efficient. Imagine saving time while improving your online marketing efforts and building a scalable income stream step by step. If you're serious about starting affiliate marketing the smarter way, Instadoodle can help you take the next step. Click the link in the description below to learn more and try Instadoodle today. Start simplifying your affiliate marketing journey and begin building your online future now.